So now let's get started with our some more new commands. Okay. So today we will be starting with revolve command. What is that revolve? Okay. See, you can access the revolve from here as well. Go to 3D basics. You can get this option here as well in the ribbon bar. Then again, go to 3D modeling. You will be able to access the revolve command from here as well. Okay. Now, also, you can access from the command bar as well. REV is the shortcut key. Now, let me draw a line here and a profile. Let us do a circle in the XY plane. Let us draw a rectangle here like that. Okay. Now, go to REV, enter. Okay. So what it is asking? Select objects to revolve. Let me select this object which I want to revolve. Okay, now you can see there is one more option is there, mode. If you go into that mode, now you will have two options again, solid and surface. I hope you are getting my point. Solid and surface. As of now, I am selecting solid. Once you selected solid, then you will see that revolve, specify axis start point or define axis by object X, Y and Z. So first of all, start point. Okay, suppose I want this line to be my axis. So let's say this is the start point of that axis. So left click here, axis end point. Let us say this is the axis end point. Now you can see here very well, it is getting revolved. Now it is asking what should be the angle of revolution. What should be the angle of revolution? Let me give it is at 360. So if I give 360 as the angle of revolution, you can see that a complete 360 degree, complete 360 degree has been revolved. Okay, go to revolve option again, REV, select the object, press enter. Okay, now we have another option called object. Go to object. Now select an object to revolve. Suppose if I select this object. Once you select this object, see, again it is revolving about that particular object. You can see very well. Just rotate it, orbit it, you will see. Okay. Yes. Now specify angle as 360. Enter. I hope this is clear. Okay. Go to southeast point. So this is the southeast. I hope this is very much clear. Okay, let me draw some more shapes. Let me draw a polygon. Number of sides, let's say it is 6. Okay, center point of polygon inscribed in circle like this. Okay, now go to revolve, REV. Okay, let me select this object, enter. Okay, suppose if you don't have anything or any line or anything, you can directly click onto the area, drawing area. Suppose if I take this point as my first start point and this is the axis end point. Now you will see that the revolution has been made with the help of that axis. Okay, suppose this time if I give 270 degree, let me give 270 degree, angle of revolution as 270 degree. So give it as 270 and you will see this. See, this is the 270 degree. Okay, exactly. Now let me draw a line here. REV, enter. Okay, this is the object to revolve. Enter. Now, now this is done. X is a start point, X is end point. Object is also done. If you go to object, you have to select one object. I have selected this. If I select this line as an object, then about that particular object, this circle will get revolved. Okay, now suppose if I draw a circle here, go to REV, enter, select this object, enter, object, select this object. Now see how big the revolve is. Can you see that? Yes, exactly. So suppose if I give 240-degree, so this is how it will look. It is 240-degree in the anti-clockwise direction. See, started from here, 240-degree in the anti-clockwise direction. Exactly. I hope this is clear. Now, go to revolve again, REV, select object to revolve. Suppose if I select this object, enter. Now you can see, apart from object, we have some more options. X, Y, and Z. Suppose if I select this X, this is nothing but X axis. So this circle will be revolved about the X axis. X axis is which one? This one is the X axis. So about this X axis, red one, okay, this object will get revolved. So select that X axis. Now you can see it is getting revolved about the X axis. If you give the angle of revolution as 250, enter. Now you can see. Exactly. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let me erase everything. Draw a circle. Now go to revolve again. Okay, select this object, enter. Now about y-axis. Okay, about y-axis. So go to y-axis. Yes. Now you can see. Again the angle of revolution. It will be, suppose if I take 120. So it will be something like this. I hope this is clear. So this is as simple as that. Okay, now go to REV, enter, revolution. But first draw a profile. This is the profile. Okay, go to REV, select this object, enter. Now if I select Z axis, just imagine whether this profile is going to revolve about Z axis. No, obviously not. Select Z axis. No. Suppose you want a revolution. Suppose you want a revolution about Z axis, then you will have to make the profile in the XZ plane or ZY plane. Okay. As of now, whatever revolution I am doing, it is the profile are in the XY plane. The profile are in the XY plane. Okay. Suppose you want to revolve, you want to do revolution about Z axis, then you have to draw the profile about in the ZY plane or ZX plane. So you can do one thing. We have Gizmo. Go to Gizmo. Can you see? Go to Gizmo, go to rotate Gizmo. Select this. You can rotate this. Suppose I want to rotate it by 90-degree. So rotate it by 90-degree. Now you can see this profile has been rotated by 90-degree. Press here, southeast, so that it will become a better position. Now go to revolve, select this object, enter, go to Z axis. See, you can see the revolution has been made. If you press reverse, it will be reversed. That's it. See, if you press reverse again, it will be reverse. Means it will change the starting point. See, as of now, it is in the anti-clockwise direction. Suppose if I press reverse, now it will be in the clockwise direction. I hope this is clear. Okay, now specify angle 360 degree. So completely 360 degree will be made. I hope this is clear. Now go to rectangle again, draw the rectangle again, go to REV, enter, select object, then enter. Now suppose I want to revolve it around x-axis, so go to x-axis. Okay, now you can see the start angle. Now it is asking start angle. We have one more option called start angle. As of now, the revolution is getting started from where the profile was. Here the profile was there. So that's why the revolution is starting from here. Okay. So suppose if I specify start angle, go to start angle. Suppose if I mention it as 30 degree, enter. Okay. Now angle of revolution. Suppose if I give it as 180 degree, enter. Now you can see that the profile was on the XY plane. The profile was on the XY plane. Go to this right view. The profile was onto this XY plane, but I gave the start angle as 30 degrees. So see, this is the 30 degree. From this from this XY plane, the revolution started from 30 degree. Start angle as 30 degree and the angle of revolution was 180 degrees. So see, that's why it is looking like a semicircle. I hope this is clear. So this is the revolution. You can use revolution in lots of things. So for making tire tube, okay, yes, obviously there are lots of options. There are lots of things which you can make this particular, you can use the revolution command. Okay, we'll explain some more thing about revolution. See, let me draw a rectangle here. Okay, let me rotate it. How? Go to Gizmo. As of now, rotate gizmo is selected. Okay, so if I select this, so see, rotate gizmo is selected. Now you can see there are three circles are there: red circle, green circle and blue circle. So if I select the red circle, means this rectangle will be rotated about x axis. So select that. Suppose if I give the angle as 30 degree, so it is rotated by 30 degree. You can see the profile is rotated by 30 degree. Okay, go to revolve, REV, enter, select this, enter. Now suppose you want to revolve this particular rectangle about y-axis, so go to y-axis. Now you can see this is how the revolution is done. Yes, suppose if I give 300 degree, so this is how it is made. You can see the starting is from the profile itself. So this is all about revolve.